So I was going to drain the oil on my OMC stern drive. My boat, it's got a 5-liter in it. And I saw the dipstick set up the way it's set up in the boat. How it's basically got like one of these garden hose attachments. And I was thinking about buying the tool online for the Merc or the OMC Volvo Penta. But since I had this laying around the house, and I think I bought this from Home Depot for, I forget, it's like $65 or something. I figured I'd repurpose it. So it already came with a pretty long hose, so I cut it in half. And then I just used a couple of fittings that I had left over from Home Depot as well. So now I got the, God damn these fucking lights. So now I've got the side that goes into the dipstick, which will, I'm sorry, the side that'll go into the dipstick, which goes into the pump. And I'll have this side here, and we'll just have that go into a bucket. And we'll see how it evacuates, how quickly. Because it looks like that other pump setup was just kind of lame and didn't really pump that much oil. So I got to do the oil pan on this thing because the fitting's leaking on the bottom, which sucks. But anyway, thought I'd let you know. Okay, so seems to actually be working pretty good. Pumping it right out. Pretty sludgy. I'm gonna have to fix the leaking fitting on the bottom, so we'll see. First of all, if it drains everything out, and second off, if it's something